All right, everyone, the moment the entire tech world has been holding its breath for is finally here. GPT-5 has arrived. And let's be clear, this isn't just another update. It's a fundamental rewrite of what we thought artificial intelligence could even do.
But with this incredible new power comes a huge question we have to ask right up front. Are we just getting a smarter AI, or are we dealing with something way more complicated? In this explainer, we're going to dive in and break down both sides of that coin.
Okay, so GPT-5 is officially out in the wild. But to really grasp its true impact, we first need to understand what this thing actually is.
Now, notice that key phrase, advanced reasoning. That is a huge deal. This signals a major shift beyond just spitting out text. We're talking about an AI that can actually think through complex problems and understand the context between different kinds of media all at once.
And get this isn't some far-off lab experiment. This power is live right now, plugged directly into the tools so many of us use every single day, from the casual user on ChatGPT to the developers building the next big thing.
But calling this an upgrade really doesn't do it justice. We are talking about a true leap forward in what's even possible.
Remember how GPT-4 would sometimes get, kind of lost? You'd give it a long, complicated prompt and it would just stumble? With GPT-5, that exact weakness has become a core strength. It handles that long-form, multi-step reasoning, and it does it elegantly.
And this is what true multimodality is all about. The model isn't just handling text, images, and code in separate boxes. It deeply understands the relationship between them. You could literally give it a design mockup, ask it to write the code for it, and then draft the marketing copy, all in one single, seamless conversation.
So that's the tech side of it. But what does it actually mean for you? How does this change the way we're all going to work and create?
For developers, this is a complete workflow revolution. Imagine describing an application and GPT-5 just generates the boilerplate, the logic, and even helps you hunt down those incredibly frustrating bugs. It's like having a senior architect as your pair programmer 24/7.
If you're a creator, the speed of production just went into overdrive. You can now generate an entire content package, the blog post, the visuals for social media, and a video script, and it's all contextually aligned. And it takes a fraction of the time.
And for everyone in business and education, your daily assistant just got a massive IQ boost. Think of Microsoft Copilot or ChatGPT analyzing a dense 100-page report and instantly creating a presentation. Or a student getting personalized one-on-one tutoring on a complex subject. This just supercharges productivity.
So really, it all boils down to three things: incredible efficiency, making expert-level skills available to pretty much everyone, and seamless integration into the tools we already know and love. It sounds perfect, right?
But you knew it was coming. There's a catch.
Because with this unprecedented level of capability, we are also facing a completely new scale of risk. We have to talk about the other side of this powerful new reality.
Okay, let's break these down because they're significant. First up, ethical concerns. All those existing problems of bias or misinformation, they don't just disappear. They're potentially amplified by a model that is so much more capable, and because of that, so much more convincing. Then there's the question of dependency. If the AI is doing all the heavy lifting, all the complex reasoning, are we at risk of outsourcing our own critical thinking to the point where our own skills might start to fade? And finally, there's the issue of access. While it's available to many, the cost of using this at an industrial, high-performance level could create a new kind of digital divide, widening the gap between the AI haves and have-nots.
So facing these risks, where do we go from here? Because one thing is absolutely certain, this technology is not going back in the box.
We can expect to see incredibly rapid adoption. This chart just shows a few industries, but the impact is going to be felt everywhere. Professionals who learn how to leverage this tool are going to have an enormous advantage, and that's going to create a massive push for integration across the board. And this brings us to the next economic wave. An entire ecosystem of new applications, plugins, and businesses will be built on top of GPT-5's capabilities. We are right on the cusp of a new gold rush for AI-powered innovation and entrepreneurship.
So that brings us right back to the central question. After seeing what it can do and understanding the risks, what's your take? What part of this massive leap forward are you most excited about? Or maybe most worried about?
The story is just beginning to unfold. To get your front row seat to the AI revolution and stay ahead of every single development, make sure you subscribe.
We'll see you in the next one.